Kathy, what do you have in your hands there? What is
This
it?
is a deed of donation from Sandra Horn for the toilet, a worth of 6,000 pesos. Miss Sandra,
Sure.
don't doubt me, okay? And this is the liquidation
No.
of your money. And I check it already for all the receipts where we buy and how much it costs. And there is the liquidation, and then they give me this one for the paper, so I need to sign and then it will be given to the municipal of our city.
Okay.
So it means that there is a foreigner, and especially, yes, you are the one who sponsor, and you are the first lady here sponsoring in our barangay and in high school campus. So I hope you don't mind that I'm the one who signed in my name list. The put is donor because I am the representative here. But heartily given and donated by you. Your name, Sandra Horn. And the principals and all the teachers are very thankful for you. And this will be proceeded by going to our municipality because they wanted to give also that, like, we have announcing that all in our high schools here in Negros, like in public school, they are going to present all the readers and to say thank you for all the donations, the donors, and it will be published your name to all the many public schools. And I am very proud because it will publish that the deed of donation from Pulu campus is from Holland, and her name is Sandra Horn from Lecture TV.
Mm-hmm.
And today we are planning to visit at the toilet sponsored by Sandra Horn, but we do it later because it's too much for Eric. So will be next time. Will be next or this week.